I always get a little excited when a recipe calls for just egg yolks because I know I'll have whites left over and I can make these meringues. Start by adding 3 egg whites to a clean bowl. These are actually left over from some creme anglaise I made a few days ago. Add a pinch of salt and a little cream of tartar. Cream of tartar is actually a byproduct of winemaking. It's the acidic residue that's left behind on the inside of the barrels. With an electric hand mixer, beat the egg whites until they just start to become fluffy. At this point, start adding the sugar very slowly, just 1 tablespoon at a time, so that it doesn't deflate the egg whites. Be sure it's fully incorporated before adding the next. The sugar is what gives the meringue structure, helping it keep its shape throughout the baking process. When all the sugar has been incorporated, turn the mixer to high and beat until the egg whites start to form stiff peaks. When it comes to making meringue, there's one simple rule: a 1/4 cup of sugar for each egg white. It doesn't matter how many egg whites you have, as long as the ratio stays the same. When the egg whites are stiff and glossy, add 1/2 teaspoon of coconut emulsion. I line a couple baking sheets with parchment paper so that the meringues won't stick. Fit a piping bag with a star-shaped tip and spoon in the meringue batter. Begin piping the meringue onto the baking sheets in little Hershey Kiss shapes, making sure each one is about 1 inch in diameter. Bake the meringues in a preheated convection oven for about 2 to 2.5 hours. When they're done baking, crack the oven door and let them cool in the oven for an additional 15 minutes before serving. If you love coconut as much as I do, then you'll love these meringues. I hope you'll try them. Happy Valentine's Day!